Hello hockey card collectors, this is the Scruffy Bear from Scruffybear.ca, and we're going to do another break today. But before we do, I'd like to remind everybody that when we get to 100 subscribers, there's $100 worth of cards here, and there's 4 big hits. So hopefully we'll get to the subscribers soon, and then we can start our contest. In the meantime, I hope everybody's enjoying the Black Friday, Christmas, Boxing Day sale from now, well, since November 26th to January 1st. You can get everything on the site for 10% off. Okay, today's break, I got myself another one of the couple of these cubes. They seem to be going off the shelf fast, so I'll not divulge where I got mine, with hope that I might be able to get more. Anyways, let's get right to it. See what good ones we got in here today. On both of these, what is exposed is Series 1, 1819 Upper Deck. Might be able to get a Pedersen. And the other side is 1516 Upper Deck Series 1. And it's the same with this one on here. We got possible Connor McDavid, possible Elias Pettersson. I better say Elias Pettersson, because every time I go, come on, Pettersson, I end up with Marcus Pettersson. And I've gotten 5 of those already. Okay, like before, I'm not going to bore you with the score. Yeah, it rhymes. But everybody knows what's in the score. There's 4 packs of score, as usual. And we got... Upper Deck Series 2, 1516. And, of course, and we got the Series 1 as well. Ooh, 8 cards. That's better retail. And we got a Parkhurst Rookie Pack. Interesting. 1516 as well. Whoa, and... come on, Elias Pettersson. Not Marcus, Elias. Let's go through the loose cards first. Okay, we got some 1516, Couturier, Iginla, Berglund, Markov, UD Portrait of Erik Karlsson. I'll put that off to the side. Couture, Kruger, Hartnell, Letang, Frolic, Galchenyuk, I should say, and Niederreiter. We got some old, is that Tops? Yes, Tops. Krudelsky, and we got some Donruss. Who is this on Donruss? Oh, somebody from the Florida Panthers. I can't see his name. Not very good. Never mind. Krudelsky, old, and there's an old score of Derek King, of course. And there's another Derek King and Tops, and Mike Rusalinsky, and Proset, and McKinnon in 1819. We got some Bowman, John McLean, and and what's this? 91-92 John McLean. Aha, Paul McDermott. And there's some old 94-95 score, John McLean. Paul McDermott. Is that OPG? That's Tops. Dave Manson. Dave Manson again, and Bowman. Dave Manson in Tops Stadium Club. John McLean on Bowman's Best. Dave Manson again on Tops. David Score and Ekan Talbot from 15-16, 16-17, sorry, TJ Brody, and Tatar. An MVP of Talbot, Bowman of Trevor Linden, John Casey, Brian Bellows, Isle Alifredi, Mike Kushelinski, and Teppo Numanen. 18-19 Gergensons, 18-19 Craig Anderson, Hornquist, Petrie, Ski, Peugeot, and Bersofsky. That's the first tin. We'll save the packs for after I get the loose ones done. Let's open up this next one. And we have, of course, our 4-score and 4-score. Okay, well, we got a Series 2, 15-16 again. And a Series 1. Oh, good, this is the 8-card retail. Okay, still looking for some good ones though in the loose cards. And we got a 18-19 Series 1, 18-19 Series 1 again. And the loose cards in this one, let's see what we got. Brasado, that's what, old score, yeah. Brasado again in old score. Brasado again in upper deck. And Brasado again in OPG. Brasado again in upper deck. I think they just put a lot of these cards, they get to sort them all out and then they put them all in as is. Beers, that's on the Fleer Ultra. Premier Hockey, Bob Beers again. Oh, Donald Audette, Philip Boucher, top rookie, and Philip Boucher, Troy Gamble in Pro Set, Troy Gamble in OPG, Gerard Gallant, upper deck, and oh, that's an interesting card. It's a Pro Set. Who is it? Troy Gamble, Gerard Gallant, and Pinnacle. And there's a Prasado again in the Premier, and Razika in score. Markstrom, 17-18, Johnson Quick, Voracek, Biatska, Molson, Morrissey, Henrique, Malkin, Nyquist, Granlund, some Pierre Parkhurst, Lindbergh, Bonino, oh, and a red of Justin Schultz, Golginski, Mike Modano, I think that's up old upper deck, Lindbergh, Pavonka, Steve Thomas, Craigwell, Doug McDonald, Gary Gallant, and some old Swedish World Juniors from 93-94, I believe. Olika, Alexei Yashin, oh, Malakoff, and Scott Niedermeyer. And we got Pat LaFontaine. Team point leaders, Thierry and Fleury. Team point leaders, Jeremy Roenick. And Vincent Damphus, former Leaf. Claude Lemieux. Pierre Turgeon. And Marc Messier. Those are all for the loose cards, guys. Trying to keep this a short video because I don't want to make it too long. So we'll just do it this way. We'll start off with the Parkhurst. This is Parkhurst, 3 Parkhurst rookie cards inside from 15-16. So I think this is something that was put into the blaster boxes. And we got Panarin, Parkhurst rookie, Nikolai Ehlers, Parkhurst rookie, and Max Domi. Oh, silver. Nice. Okay. Let's start off with Series 1. With a little luck, I can get my Connor McDavid. That's a joke. Would it be nice? Getzlaf, Seth Jones, Shattenkirk, and Hellebuck. Already got this guy, but hey, what the heck. And we got Jeff Carter, Mike Smith, Louis Erickson, and RJ Umbergers. The other one. Come on, Connor McDavid. I already got his Connor McDavid Young Gun canvas, but I don't have his rookie, his Young Guns. Alex Ovechkin, Atkinson, Krejci, and Nick Cousins Young Gun. So 2 for 2 on the Young Guns. Yandel, Zucker, Boland, and Duchesne. Okay, let's try for Jack Eichel or another McDavid canvas Young Guns. We got Nienema, Benoff, Versteeg, Riley Nash, and Adrian Bobo. Portrait. We got a checklist, Tarasenko and Corey Perry, Spalling and Martinez. No Young Guns in there. Could use another Jack Eichel. Henrik Zetterberg, Patrick Kane, Troy Brower, Ryan Johnson, and a Young Gun of Vincent Histroza. Trouba, Rantanen, Rantana, and Bouwmeester. A little trouble with that name. Okay, that leaves 3 packs left. Come on, Elias Pettersson. No more Marcus Pettersson, please. Zuccarello, Carlo, Cooler, Backstrom, and Ryan Donato Young Gun. That's not a bad. Roman Josi, Hamonic, and Tarasenko. Okay. We do seem to be doing good with the Young Guns in this cube. Could have used some better loose cards though. But hey, the gems of these cubes are really in the unopened packs. So, in this one, we got Latira, Jack Eichel, Jonathan Huberdeau, Sean Couturier, and Sheldon Dries Young Gun. Not doing bad with the Young Guns. Jonathan Drouin, Soderberg, and Kyle Connor. Last pack. Gerard, Hellebuck, Stone, and an Austin Matthews 25 under 25. Not bad. I like that one. Jason Palmaville, Talbot, Zanabad, and LeBlanc. That's it for those 2 cubes. Got some really good cards here. Anybody that wants to know about the score, I'm not going to open them because there's just too much score out there, especially that year, 12-13. But the best ones that are in there are Tyson Barrie and Mark Stone. And just in case you like Michael Hutchinson. Sorry. Anyways, we got in this one 25 under 25 Austin Matthews. We got Sheldon Dries Young Guns, Ryan Donato Young Guns, Histroza Young Guns, UD Portrait of Antoine Badeau, Nick Cousins Young Guns, Hellebuck Young Guns, got a red parallel of Justin Schultz, and a rookie of Philip Boucher, and Eric Carlson UD Portraits from 15-16, I believe. 16-17, sorry. And that's what we got today. So, like I said at the beginning of the video, we got a sale going on in Scruffybear.ca, 10% off of everything. So go and grab some gems while you can. In the meantime, that's our video for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a like. If you like to see more of these videos, subscribe. And if you have anything that you want to add to this, feel free to leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Okay, so talk to you later for our next break. Bye now.